Guys, for today's video, exciting feature to with Billies. Ayan. Kasi may bago siyang feature na magiging handy, lalo na kapag na-short kayo sa available limit kay Billies. Lalo na kapag bibili kayo ng bagong gadget. Or sa akin, for my case, magka-travel kami. Mas okay na isip ko, mas okay siguro ipambili ng ticket. Yan, yung mga ganyan. Pero kinulang yung credit limit nyo with Billies. So, eto, may chance na tayong mag-request ng additional credit limit kay Billies. So, kung gusto mong malaman yan, itong exciting feature with Billies, well, samahan nyo, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new in my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron na akong experience at ginawa ko na yan na videos and playlists. Makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, guys, so na-mention ko na yung natutuwa kasi ako dito kay Billies kasi hindi ko pa siya totally nagagamit talaga. In terms of like utang. Actually, to tell you the truth guys, hindi pa nga enable yung aking cash loan with Billies. Kasi sabi ko, nire-reserve ko tong credit limit na to in case lang naman na magkaroon ako ng emergency at hindi kakayanin ng aking emergency fund. Kaya nandyan si Billies. So, hindi ko siya ginagamit kasi sayang naman yung interest. Okay, ito na nga, si Billies. Si Billies ay may bagong feature na tinatawag nilang limit boost. Okay. So, yan, makikita nyo, nakalagay, bigger purchase, request a limit boost now. So, sabi niya dito, are you dreaming of making a bigger purchase but worried about your current credit limit? Billies Limit Boost feature is here. Ayan, sabi niya, Limit Boost is a feature that allows Billies user to temporarily increase their purchase limit for transaction at over 100 merchant partners. So, it is perfect daw if you're eyeing a bigger purchase, but your current credit limit is not sufficient. May ba kung up to magkano yung pwede natin i-request? Actually, wala namang nasabi, pero papakita ko sa inyo at susubukan natin. Okay. So, punta tayo sa aking Billies app, then mag-login tayo. Ayan. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron lang ako 6,000 na credit limit with Billies because hindi ko nga siya ginagamit. Again. Pero ayun, makikita nyo, nandito na sa homepage, meron na siyang plan a bigger purchase. Yan yung limit boost na tinatawag ni Billies. So, let's check kung eligible ako kahit na hindi pa ako gumagamit ng Billies. So, plan a bigger purchase. Sabi niya, Billy got your back. Request a limit boost to finance a bigger ticket. So, choose a shop daw. Philippine Airlines. Yan, click natin yan. Tatry natin yung airfare ng buong pamilya namin. Okay, how much do you require? Siguro mga 10,000. And then, what are you looking for? Plane fare. Nang-grantan ako. Congrats, you qualify for a limit boost. See limit boost offer. Biruin nyo yun, na-limit boost ako ni Billies kahit technically wala pa akong credit history sa kanila. Okay, so ayan, Philippine Airlines for, ayan nga, plane fare and then limit boost na 4,000 pesos. So, 10,000 pesos yan. So, 6 monthly payment daw ng 2,066. So, if I'm going to calculate that, so 2,066 times 6, it would give me 12,396 minus 10,000 na principal. Nasa 2,396 ang interest divided by 10,000 na principal. Nasa 23.96% ang interest sa loob ng 6 months. So, kunin natin ang APR, divide natin yan by 6. Ang monthly interest niya ay 3.9 or nasa 4% times 12, lalabas na 47.92% ang interest rate ni Billies. And then, things that I would like to highlight na lang, hindi lahat ng merchant nagbibigay ng limit boost. So, depende actually yan sa merchants na pinili nyo. Tapos, limited time offer lang din to. So, ayan, makikita nyo. Offer ends in 2 days, 23 hours, 59 minutes. So, technically, 3 days yung offer. So, pwede kang mag-isip pa kung kukunin mo o gagrab mo yung offer o hindi. So, let's try to check naman kung pwede pa tayo mag-request ulit. Well, wala na unless ika-cancel mo siya. Ayan. Canceling this offer restores your regular limit of 4 other product. Please tell us why you are canceling. Cancelin. Ayan. So, I don't like doing it kasi feeling ko gagamitin ko talaga tong increased credit limit with Bilis. And then, para mag-shop kayo, just ayan, click on the Go Shopping. Mariredirect na kayo dun sa merchant page na pinili nyo. Natatempt akong i-cancel. Try natin i-cancel. Type reason. Again, subukan natin ulit. Philippine Airlines, 16,000. Ako, hindi ko alam to, ma-approve. Oh my gosh, pwede! So, again, meron akong 3 days and then yung limit boost ko is up to 16,000 pesos. Wow, galing ah. So, calculate natin ulit yung yung monthly payment, 3,306 naman. 3,306 times 6 minus 16,000. So, 3,836 yung principal divided by 16,000. It would give me 23.9% or 24% divided by 6 times 12. Ayan, same naman, 47.95% ang interest rate. Okay. So, guys, try nyo na itong Bilis, try nyo gamitin, lalo na pag kailangan nyo. Ayan. Guys, sa akin naman, sinishare ko to is para makatulong sa inyo, lalo na sa mga nangangailangan talaga. Pero guys, if just for hindi naman necessary na expense, baka naman pwede nating pag-isipan munang mabuti. Okay? For our question of the day, dahil may panibagong features itong Bilis, magkano ang hihingin yung credit limit boost and saan nyo siya gagamitin? Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. And syempre, huwag nyo kalimutang maglagay ng hashtag road to 100k subs para sa chance nyo naman manalo na cellphone sa ating monthly cellphone giveaway until we reach the 100k subscriber milestone. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Mark James Padilla Vlogs. Sabi niya, kay Kuya Bombay na lang ako. Sabihan mo lang na walang pera ngayon, okay na yun sa kanila. Babalik yan sila bukas, walang mura or harassment. Pa-shoutout sir from El Rio, Davao City. Hashtag road to 100k subs. At Mark James Padilla Vlogs, shoutout po sa inyo at maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Maraming salamat po. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala namang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto, and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!